ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯇ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯔ ꯒꯨꯔꯨ ꯑꯔꯤꯕꯝ ꯁꯨꯅꯤꯜ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯁꯔꯃꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯨꯑꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯦ ꯁꯦꯔꯦꯃꯅꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯖꯨꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯒꯨꯔꯨ ꯑꯔꯤꯕꯝ ꯁꯨꯅꯤꯜ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯁꯔꯃꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯔꯤꯝꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁ ꯔꯤꯖꯟꯒꯤꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ꯫ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ MBBS ꯈꯛ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯗꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ, ꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯦꯔꯥꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯌꯔ ꯋꯥꯀꯔ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯦꯁꯇ ꯑꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯂꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯞꯇꯣꯃꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯑꯣꯊꯦꯔꯥꯄꯤꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ 19 ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ꯫ ꯍꯤꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯒ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯌꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯗꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯗꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ꯫ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯊꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯛ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯧꯖꯥꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ꯫
As we all know, RIMS, one of the best institutes in the entire Northeast and also in the country, gives lots of healthcare workers, not only MBBS but also the dental stream, as I have said, nursing and also the paramedical thing. And let me just remind you, recently Government of India talks about allied health services also. So we are planning to open up more paramedical things here because of the direction of the ministry. That will be including maybe optometrics, physiotherapists and many other. We have to around 11 allied health services courses may come up in future. With those, I think we will be one of the biggest health provider. Let me share you my joy. Recently we had meeting with ministry and they were very happy to know that we have been running already the paramedical courses in radiology and the MLT. So they were surprised, and I even proposed that we should have a separate institute of the allied health services.
ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯤꯟꯇꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯔ ꯅꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯁꯟꯖꯤꯠꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯨꯑꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯈꯛ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ, ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯪꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯪꯐꯥꯎꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ꯫ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯪꯂꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯏꯐ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯄꯤꯔꯤ꯫ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯒꯜ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯐꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯃꯤꯅꯣꯛ ꯇꯝꯕꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯤꯔꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯌꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯃꯟꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ AIꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯔ ꯚꯦꯜꯌꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯀꯥꯎ ꯀꯥꯎꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ꯫
The treatments, they change, the drugs, new drugs come out, but we also remember that the core value of medical sciences is nothing but humanity, and that we should always keep that in mind even after we become the biggest doctors or biggest practitioners. A patient may not remember that when you go off, the drugs you wrote or the operation you did, but he will definitely remember how much hope you gave him in his times of despair. A patient coming with injuries, a patient coming with heart attacks, and the moment that he sees a doctor or a nurse or a paramedical person.
ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ MBBS, BDS, MSc Nursing, BASLP ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ MD, MS ꯑꯃꯗꯤ MPhilꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏ 263ꯇ ꯗꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯈꯤ꯫ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯔ ꯒꯨꯔꯨ ꯑꯔꯤꯕꯝ ꯁꯨꯅꯤꯜ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ, ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯗꯤꯟ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯦꯃꯤꯛꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯔ ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯔꯥꯖꯦꯁ, ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯤꯟꯇꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯔ ꯅꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯁꯟꯖꯤꯠ, ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯗꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯔ B. ꯄ꯭ꯔꯕꯤꯟ ꯔꯦड्डी ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯔ A. ꯗꯦꯕꯖꯥꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁꯠ, ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯒꯦꯁꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯅꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯈꯤ꯫